Hello, my name is María del Carmen Rodríguez Esparza,
And my name is Guadalupe Ildefonso Santiago.
and we're going to be talking about constituent order typology.
According to the past presentations that our classmates did about morphological typology, we are going to present a brief summary of them. Very few languages conform 100% to the general expectations provided by Greenberg. This means that some languages have different orders to other languages in the sentences. And we have six logically possible orders, which are SOB, SBO, BSO, BOS, OSB, OBS. Since 1963, many researchers have revealed problems with Greenberg's typology. One of them is that Greenberg did not provide examples of the order of languages.
And also, we have three different kind of languages. The language can be divided in, as I said before, in three, which is very consistent, fairly consistent, and inconsistent. Very consistent language is the one that we can have changes. For example, here in Japan, it's a very consistent language, which is A, which is agent, P, which is the predicate, and at the end we have the verb. In fairly consistent language, we have uh, English. Sometimes in English, in this structure, we cannot change anything. It's always the agent, the verb, and then the predicate. That it doesn't change at all. The structure of the sentence is always the same. And then we have the inconsistent language. Here we have an example. Why is normal for the English to write flavor and normal for Americans to write flavor? Nobody has the legal or social power to decide one of the two is wrong. As the example says that we don't know which exactly is the correct one, but we still using it in different contexts.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hello, my name is María del Carmen Rodríguez Esparza,
And my name is Guadalupe Ildefonso Santiago.
and we're going to be talking about constituent order typology.
According to the past presentations that our classmates did about morphological typology, we are going to present a brief summary of them. Very few languages conform 100% to the general expectations provided by Greenberg. This means that some languages have different orders to other languages, and exists six logical possible orders, which are SOB. In this case, S means subject, O means object, B means verb. Then we have SBO, BSO, BOS, OSB, OBS. And since 1963, many researchers have revealed problems with Greenberg's typology. One of them is that Greenberg did not provide examples of the orders of languages.
Those languages can be divided in three: very consistent, fairly consistent, and inconsistent. Very consistent, we have here an example of Japan. Japanese is a very consistent language. It's sometimes can be changed the structure of the sentence, but mostly we have A, which is agent, P, which is the predicate, and at the end we have the verb. Fairly consistent language is the English. English is a very consistent language because it, it doesn't change the structure. It is always A, which is agent, B, the verb, and then we have at the end the predicate. Here an example, we have John's house. alongside the house of John. And then we have the inconsistent language, which are those languages that borrow different words from other languages. The order of the order can be changed in many different ways. Here we have while it is normal for the English to write flavor, and normal for Americans to write flavor, nobody has the legal or social power to decide one of them, one of or two of is wrong. Thank you so much.